Why inconsistent cacao creates product instability. Here at Global Cacao Traders, your sourcing and distributions platform of premium cacao powder globally. Why does one production run perform perfectly normal and the next suddenly changes? In many cases, the problem doesn't start inside manufacturing. It starts with the cacao itself. What most buyers miss, they miss evaluation, pricing, appearance, origin, and so much more. But they ignore functional behaviour, processing consistency, manufacturing sustainability, and formulation repeatability. And that's where instability begins. See at Global Cacao Traders Online, we help you understand how to source premium quality cacao powder globally. Drop down to the description below and you'll find the links to today's blog in regards to cacao powder and so much more. And that's where instability begins, because two cacao suppliers can look similar on paper while performing completely differently in production. How cacao affects products. In beverage systems, small cacao difference can affect flavour, balance, suspension, behaviour, colour consistency, mixing performance. Yet in bakery systems, they can affect moisture interaction, flavour consistency, texture outcomes. But then in chocolate applications, they can affect flavour profile, processing behaviour, production consistency. See, there's more to it than just buying cacao. And that's why Global Cacao Traders traceability systems globally have eradicated a lot of the issues with production instabilities for manufacturers like yourself. And in powdered drink mixes, small formulations inconsistencies can eventually create major operational problems over time. The real consequences. This eventually leads to flavour inconsistency, colour variation, custom complaints, reformulation costs, production instability, operational inefficiencies. And that's where it comes to understanding cacao powders globally. See, Global Cacao Traders Online help you to source premium cacao powder globally and to eliminate a lot of these inconsistencies. Most businesses think these are isolated manufacturing problems, but often the issue begins much earlier. It's inside the sourcing system itself, like the fermentation, but we'll speak about that more in our fermentation videos. Feel free to drop down to the description below and click the link to follow and find out more through our blogs and our social media profiles. What professional buyers do differently. Professional buyers evaluate repeatability, supply systems, fermentation consistency, processing stability, manufacturing suitability, documented standards. Because reliable production requires reliable ingredients performance. This is why structured cacao sourcing matters far more than most businesses realise. Reliable product performance starts with reliable cacao systems. Read today's full breakdown here. Global Cacao Traders Online are your sourcing and distributions platform, from farmers to manufacturers to even the processing and the distribution. We're helping the industry by creating a reputable traceability program that sources products all the way back to the tree. These systems are state of the art, and they're helping to eliminate a lot of the issues and inconsistencies that you would be seeing. A lot of our clients, and this is clients that operate on 40-ton shipping container loads on a regular basis, find that through our traceability, they can accurately work out what tree and which region they want to produce and receive products from. This helps farmers to produce more quality fermentation and understand that by doing what they do professionally helps them to become number one in the global trade powder of cacao. Thank you again. This is our Tuesday blog video in premium cacao powders. Drop down to the description below, give us a like, subscribe or share, or all three, to keep up to date with information on global cacao trade. This industry is starting to have a more quality effect with premium traceable cacao powders globally.